Make sure to watch today's video if you're on the hunt for some drugstore acne foundations that are not going to break you out. Hi lovely, I'm Carmen, founder of Luminosity Acne Skincare. I'm also a licensed esthetician that specializes in the successful treatment of acne. So last year I created a video on acne safe foundations that you can find at the drugstore, and over these last few months I've gotten so many requests to update that list because it is a brand new year, so you guys want to know what else is out there in the drugstores that you can safely use when you're prone to breakouts. So before I get into the actual foundations, I first want to just let you guys know that my only criteria for the foundations on this list are that they are non-comedogenic or non-pore clogging. As far as longwear or coverage, that's going to be up to you to decide. I personally have not tested these foundations for those particular things. So again, the whole point of this video is just to get you guys some drugstore foundations that will not break you out. So the first foundation on my list is CYO's Long Lasting Foundation, Lifeproof. Another non-comedogenic one is L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Foundation. Another option is NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Drop Foundation. We also have another L'Oreal Infallible one, which is their Longwear Shaping Foundation Makeup Stick. Maybelline's Dream Matte Mousse Foundation is also acne safe. Alright, and we have another L'Oreal Infallible one. This one is their Total Cover Foundation. I probably should have just alphabetized this list, but there's really no rhyme or reason to it. Moving on, we also have number 7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Serum Foundation. And last, we have IMAN's Luxury Concealing Foundation. So those were 8 drugstore foundations that are non-comedogenic, so they will not break you out. I do hope that you've enjoyed this updated list. Also, with the last list that I did on drugstore foundations, if those ones are still available in the store, they are still acne safe because I did comb through the ingredients again, so those ones are still good to go if, again, they're still available for sale. And before I let you go, if you're curious if the foundation that you're currently using at home is acne safe, then all you have to do is just check the links down below and you can find a link where you can download a free copy of my list of pore clogging ingredients to avoid. This is the same exact list that I give to all of my office clients because eliminating pore cloggers is always the best first step to take towards clear skin, and you can grab a free copy today so that again you can check whatever makeup you have at home. Okay, so that is it for this video. I do hope that you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more acne related videos. Also follow me on Instagram at Luminosity Acne. And also, if you're still struggling with breakouts, I would absolutely love to be the person who helps you clear up. I do have 2 clear skin options depending on where you live. So the first option is that if you live close by to my North Carolina acne office, I would love to have you here at my office. The other option is that if you don't live near me, I do have acne kits that ship worldwide. So even if you're in another country, I can still help you clear up. Okay, again, that's it for this video, and I will see you in my next one. Take care.